arita kwe Dr. Fred Matiang'i, ogai mar jomin buche Nurdin Haji kod migao mar obila motele kod Hilary Mutyambai ne obedo kod romo makende kod riwruoge maok mag piny owacho e seche mag sidho lipot maketo e tim kedo kod siro njore kanyakla kod yudo omenda e yo ma ok ler mar ochumi ma pachoka. Lipono ma otis ni Anti-Money Laundering and Financing Terrorism 2021 manosidhi e boma ma Nairobi ne ochiwo ngadho mar kedo kod omenda miyudo e yo ma ok opuodhi kata ma idendo ni wash wach ma piny owacho koro singo kedo godo e yo makare. Matiang'i kod Nurdin Haji owacho ni gibiro timo nonro e wi kit njore makamano ma ithorone ka josiasa ema bedo kod omenda modhuro ka ler malong'o kaka giyudo omenda go to ok yangre.
We as Kenya seek to enhance our position as a financial hub in the region by fighting international crime, especially money laundering and terrorism or financing. Of course, the effects of money laundering is that it makes us vulnerable and it exacerbates threats such as corruption, terrorism, organized crime, and eventually insecurity, not only here in Kenya, but the region and globally.
Kenyans who have been moving around the villages, you have seen people who are carrying money in bags, lining up citizens, giving them 200 bobs. The bankers in the room, you understand now you have a shortage of 200 shilling notes in your banks and 100 shilling notes in your banks because politicians are bribing villagers. People are not working. They are standing on the roadsides to get 200 shillings and so on from all these money launderers. And they are laundering themselves into elective institutions to take decisions. Do you think they will actually tidy up the legislative environment as it were?